What's up, guys? We are gonna do a what's inside my bag video, so let's get right into it. First, we have the Evo Show rolling bag. It is baby blue writing, and then lightish blue bag. Now we have the WWJD bracelet. Then we got a baseball that says Clayson right there. And we have the mini bat. Yeah. Alright. Let's get into the first pocket. So we got some football gloves because my coach says we can throw around with the football. And then I have a glove. Then I have some Crocs if I want to play something. Like after the game, I don't have to be still in my cleats. We have the Devil Rays right there. Devil Rays. But it's a Tampa Bay Tampa Bay Rays, because like I don't have a Devil Rays. Then we got not that. Wait, here we go. And this right here, we got a Ronald Acuna Jr. card. I like him, so I keep it in my bag because I keep it in my bag to remind me that he hits dingers, and I just want to look at this card and hit dingers like him. Then we have it's camouflage cup. Like in the inside, doesn't hurt you because it's soft. Alright. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, Easton Dub, shout out to D-Bat. Thank you. And then we got the bats. So if you have the wiffle ball, you gotta have the wiffle ball bat. Because like, if you have a wiffle ball, can you even play anything? No. You can only play catch, but like, that's not fun. Alright, now we got, this is my pencil bat for like practicing. This is my practice on that. And then, last one, this is what I use in games, which I guess what it is. It's a rolling Zycon. I got it, and like from school, my brother was sick. He made a maze for me, and then he said under the jeans, look under the jeans. I was so surprised. I didn't even notice. I didn't even know. It's a drop 10, 29 inches, drop 10. This is one of my favorites. The chosen one right there. And then this is my favorite one. I don't think you can see it, but it's right there. It's the mark of the chosen one. I really like it because it has baby blue, it has golden writing, and I like the mark of the pro because I have a lot of marks, and I guess I'm good. Now we got the big pocket. I have to lay this one down. Alright, first we have the helmet. We gotta have the helmet. We have to get the neon in there. Neon again. Love. Baseball. Bruce Bolt. I really like this helmet. Got a chin protector. Now I have matching my Garden elbow guard, baby blue, Guardian. We have wrist bolts. Got the Max Clark wrist bolts, and then we got, it is pink and blue, Max Clark one. Here's the case. I'll put them in the case. Then we have my sliding mitt. Gotta have the sports strip one. Very cool because if you turn it this way, that black drips, and then if you go like that, this drips. So yeah, it's a really cool sliding mitt. We gotta have the best glove for last, but first we got my first baseman's mitt, Marucci's. I like it really much. It's really good because I play first baseman kinda a lot, maybe. Yeah, I really like it. This is probably my favorite glove. It is a Wilson's A800. It's pink and blue. First it started out with the mint, then it just added pink in there. Really liked it. So yeah, that's the end of my video. Bye guys.